Today I'd like to teach you how to do the Tunisian double stitch, which is a super fun stitch and it's double the size of a Tunisian simple stitch. So let's get started. In order to crochet the Tunisian double stitch, which is very similar to the double crochet stitch in regular crochet, the first thing you need to be aware is that the abbreviation for it is TDS. And yes, you're going to also have a yarn over. So let me show you how to do this. So the very first thing is you want to have a yarn over here on the front because it is a bit of a bigger stitch and you need a little bit of a length here. So do a yarn over after you have your foundation ready, which is the Tunisian simple stitch. If you've never done this stitch, go check out the link in the description as I have a video tutorial for that as well. So now you're going to yarn over, just like you would do for a normal double crochet, but this is a Tunisian one. Then you're going to insert your hook through that front vertical bar, like so. Then yarn over and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2. And you're going to stop right here because now we're working on our forward path. So we're not going to finish up that stitch until we do the reverse path. So let's do that again. So yarn over, insert your hook right here, yarn over and pull through. Now you have technically 3 loops, right? But 2 loops only belong to that stitch. So yarn over and pull through and you're done. So now let's keep going with our forward path. Now that we're at the end, we need to do our edge stitch. So yarn over and pull through 1 and then yarn over, pull through 1 like you normally would. Then yarn over, pull through 2. And then do that for the rest. So you're doing the reverse path exactly the same way as you would do for the Tunisian simple stitch, just that this is the Tunisian double stitch. And then once you're done, it looks like this, and you can see how the stitch is so much bigger than a normal regular Tunisian simple stitch. I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to check out the link in the description down below for more free Tunisian crochet projects and also a written tutorial for this stitch. Be sure to like, comment, share, and follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. I hope to see you next time. Bye!